Top symptoms of bad fuel pump. 1. Engine sputtering. The most common symptom of a bad fuel pump is engine sputtering or stalling. A sputtering engine means that it is not achieving full combustion. This occurs when the fuel pump is not delivering enough fuel to the engine. An inconsistent flow of fuel to the engine will lead to sputtering. A failing fuel pump can cause the engine to sputter or jerk while driving, which can be dangerous and should be addressed immediately. 2. Difficulty starting. A bad fuel pump can cause difficulty starting the engine, especially when the engine is cold. If your car has difficulty starting after refueling, it could be a sign of a bad fuel pump not properly pressurizing the fuel system. 3. Reduced power. When the fuel pump is not functioning properly, the engine may experience a significant reduction in power. If your car has reduced power or struggles to climb hills or accelerate, it could be a sign of a bad fuel pump. If your car is slow to accelerate or feels sluggish, it could be a sign of a bad fuel pump not providing enough fuel to the engine. 4. Engine surging. Another symptom of a bad fuel pump is engine surging, which occurs when the engine revs up and down without any input from the driver. 5. Low fuel pressure. A bad fuel pump can cause low fuel pressure, which can lead to poor engine performance and decreased fuel efficiency. 6. Check engine light. A malfunctioning fuel pump can trigger the check engine light to come on, indicating a problem with the fuel system. 7. Stalling at high speeds. If your car stalls while driving at high speeds, it could be due to a bad fuel pump not providing enough fuel to the engine. 8. Rough idling. A bad fuel pump can cause the engine to idle roughly or erratically, which can lead to other problems with the car's performance. 9. Fuel pump noise. If you hear a whining or buzzing noise coming from the fuel tank, it could be a sign of a failing fuel pump. 10. Complete engine failure. In extreme cases, a failing fuel pump can cause the engine to completely fail, leaving you stranded on the side of the road. It's important to address any signs of a bad fuel pump as soon as possible to prevent further damage to your car. That's all we have for you in today's video. It's very good to have you here on our channel. If you liked the video, please smash the like button and do consider subscribing if you haven't already. We hope to see you soon with another video. Until then, stay safe.